If you're just throwing pico together, you're doing it wrong. Order matters, and it changes with the season. Start with your tomatoes. If they're super ripe, heirlooms or summer tomatoes, you want to dice, salt, and then let them drain. Too much water will kill your pico. Winter, use Romas. Less water, but don't salt them in the beginning. Wait till the end. Onions go first, always. Hit them with the lime right away. That takes the bite out of them and softens them. Now add your peppers and your tomatoes, your chopped garlic, then season. Mix it gently. Cilantro goes in last. Comment below what's your favorite chili to put in your pico de gallo. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. The final lime after that, or I serve it with the pico at the table. That's the difference between decent pico and pico that's actually good. The same ingredients, different order, will make a completely different pico. Thank you for watching. Cook with love.